Welcome to Puzzle Slice. This time we will play guessing animal pictures. Let's get started. What animal has a long neck and usually lives in the savannah, enjoying eating leaves from tall trees? Who is it? The animal has thick fur and belongs to the carnivore group. Additionally, it is also known as the king of the jungle. Who is it? The animal has 4 legs and a shell on its body, and it walks very slowly. Who is it? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.